The Neighbor Project is developing new partnerships to address the national housing crisis at a local level. And through some important collaborations, we've already begun building local solutions designed to fill in the gaps through which too many of our neighbors are falling. The last time our community faced a housing crisis, the Neighbor Project stepped in where the housing market and home building industry were unable or simply incapable of intervening. Back in the early 2010s, before we were even known as the Neighbor Project, the foreclosure crisis had left hundreds, if not thousands, of local properties sitting vacant, abandoned, and falling into major disrepair. But an effective collaboration opened a new set of possibilities. Together, we acquired and rehabbed some of the worst, most dilapidated, distressed, and disinvested foreclosures in our town. With a program-related investment from the Dunham Foundation, we put over 30 homes back into productive use. And we didn't just do the work. We were pretty good at it. We rehabbed nearly twice as many units as the government-funded program doing the same thing. And we did it with 5 times less funding. The collaboration didn't just restore homes, it sparked something bigger. The creation of the Neighbor Project as we know it today, born from the successful partnership between Emmanuel House and Joseph Corporation. Our merger became official in 2018, and since then we've grown substantially, 3 to 4 times larger in staff, budget, affordable housing units, and the number of people we serve each year. And now we're facing another housing crisis, one that may be even bigger than the last. Once again, the market is proving incapable of addressing the crisis on its own. In many ways, the roots of today's crisis reach back to the last one, when so many builders went out of business, home construction plummeted. The 2010s saw the lowest number of homes built in any decade since the 1940s. Today, research shows that Illinois is short by about 142,000 housing units, yet only 19,000 are permitted and built each year. And most of what is being built, multifamily rentals, single-family homes for rent only, or larger, more expensive homes, is simply not affordable or accessible to many working households. The Neighbor Project continues helping dozens of low to moderate income families become first-time homeowners through our housing counseling and innovative programs like Breakthrough Rental, where tenants receive affordable housing today while saving and preparing to graduate into homeownership tomorrow. But it's taking families much longer. And with so many homes for sale in their price range, more and more hardworking families are being priced out altogether. They could afford a smaller traditional starter home, but these homes aren't available, and they aren't being built. The last time we faced a national housing crisis, collaboration helped us make a major difference locally, and the Neighbor Project was born. This time, we're a bigger, more experienced, and more prepared organization, and we have even more collaborators. With major support from Congressman Bill Foster, the City of Aurora, and Mayor John Lash, we're preparing to restart the home construction work that proved so effective during the foreclosure crisis. Only now the challenge is different. There are no vacant or abandoned homes to reclaim. Instead, we face the opposite problem: very little for sale inventory and nothing that's affordable. So we're leveraging our partnerships with groups like the Chicago Community Loan Fund, who provide low-cost construction capital and technical assistance. And we're maximizing our resources through pre-development funds established with our partners at the Community Foundation of the Fox River Valley. All of this so that we can not only prepare more of our hardworking neighbors to be ready for homeownership, but ensure that they have affordable options when they are ready. That includes smaller, highly energy efficient, more affordable starter homes that the Neighbor Project will begin building on donated land or land that we already own. We're doing more than ever because the challenges facing our community are bigger than ever. But we're also blessed with more resources and more partners, including all of you. So thank you for joining the Neighbor Project in our mission to invest in our neighbors, to help more renters become owners so they can make our communities thrive.